Welcome back to another explainer. Today, we're talking about something that is quite literally changing how we work, how we learn, and how we create. We're taking the ultimate journey from ChatGPT Beginner all the way to Absolute Pro, using the absolute latest 2025 workflows. If you've ever logged into the platform and just kind of felt like, you're only scratching the surface of what this AI can actually do, well, you are in the exact right place. My goal today is to completely upgrade your AI skills and transform how you interact with this incredible tech.
I mean, really think about it. Are you only using 10% of its capabilities? Be honest. Because a lot of people are stuck right there. They log in, they ask it to write a standard email, and they get this generic, robotic sounding response back. And hey, it's fine, but it's not exactly a game changer, right? So today, we're diving into exactly how to level up from those super basic prompts to becoming a bona fide pro who automates workflows, analyzes complex data, and generates incredible, nuanced ideas. Here's our roadmap for the level up. We'll hit the fundamentals, perfect those prompts, tailor your assistant, unlock beta features, and finally tackle multimodal AI. Stick around for level 2, by the way, because I'm going to reveal the RICCE framework, which will completely transform how you write prompts forever. Okay, let's dive right into this, starting with level 1, the ChatGPT fundamentals. We've got to lay a solid foundation before we build the skyscraper. So these are the core use cases that really made this tech a global phenomenon. We're talking about brainstorming ideas when you're just totally stuck with writer's block, or drafting basic content, blog posts, cover letters, plus summarizing insanely long, dense articles into quick, digestible bullet points, and even getting some on-the-fly coding help. If you're doing these things, that is a fantastic start. But remember, this is just step 1. Let's see how this builds as we level up. Moving right along to level 2, perfecting your prompts. This is where we cross that bridge from a beginner to a true power user. The biggest trap people fall into is assuming the AI can just read their mind. Check out this contrast. A beginner just types, write an email, and obviously they get a boring cookie-cutter response. But a pro? A pro adds specific context. They dictate an enthusiastic tone, they set formatting constraints like word counts or asking for bullet points, and the output drastically changes from a generic template into a highly tailored, ready-to-send masterpiece. So how do we actually get those pro-level outputs every single time? Well, I mentioned a secret weapon earlier, and here it is, the RICCE framework. It's a structured methodology for prompt engineering built specifically to generate highly specific and accurate AI responses. If you want prompt mastery without all the frustrating trial and error, this is literally the exact blueprint you need to memorize. And this brilliantly illustrates how it works. R, it stands for role. Tell the AI exactly who to act as, like maybe a senior marketing executive. I is for instructions. What exactly do you want it to accomplish? Then C is context. Give it the background info it desperately needs to understand the task. The second C is constraints. Tell it what not to do or restrict the length. And finally, E is examples. Show it what a great output actually looks like. This simple, repeatable recipe completely eliminates the guesswork from your daily inputs. Okay, level 3, tailoring your AI assistant. This is all about making the AI uniquely yours so you never have to repeat your basic preferences again. There's this massively underutilized feature called custom instructions. Look, instead of typing, hey, I'm a high school science teacher and I want my responses to be fun for teenagers every single time you start a chat, you can just set those permanent rules, background details, and tone preferences once in your settings. It then automatically applies to all your future chats. Combine that with sharing custom prompt links with your team, and you are saving a ridiculous amount of time. Your workflow just got incredibly personalized. Now for level 4, unlocking advanced beta features. It's time to dig into the heavier, more complex capabilities hidden away in your settings menu. Flipping these beta features on completely transforms the experience. You go from a basic text generator to a powerful internet-connected data analyst. First up, browse with Bing. This shatters the AI's knowledge cutoff and gives you live web search and real-time data on current events. Then you've got advanced data analysis. You can actually upload massive raw spreadsheets and have it crunch the math or spit out charts in seconds. And finally, ChatGPT plugins let you integrate third-party tools right into the chat. You're effectively building an entire personalized software suite inside a single window.
And here we are, the boss level. Level 5, multimodal AI, vision, and voice. This is where things get truly futuristic. We aren't just typing on a keyboard anymore. Now, what's really interesting here is the massive shift in the ecosystem. Text is now just one slice, about 25% of the modern AI pie. You've got equal parts vision, voice, and incredible image generation with DALL-E 3. If you are only typing text into a box, you are literally ignoring 75% of the ecosystem's true potential. Let's break down exactly what those other slices do.
With ChatGPT Vision, you upload photos for the AI to meticulously analyze. Like, snap a picture of the random ingredients in your fridge, and the AI will see them and give you a custom gourmet recipe. It's wild. On the flip side, DALL-E 3 lets you type out creative prompts so the AI can draw brand new, highly detailed images completely from scratch. And we absolutely can't forget about sound. ChatGPT Voice completely changes the dynamic of how we work and learn. Instead of typing, you can have real-time, hands-free spoken conversations with your assistant on your mobile device. It's fluid, it's fast, and honestly, it feels just like talking to a real human being. You can brainstorm marketing ideas while walking the dog, or even use it to practice speaking a foreign language with perfect back-and-forth pronunciation. So the crucial point is that this is a highly achievable journey, and you can map it out perfectly. Day 1 is all about mastering the basics, those core use cases we talked about. By week 1, you're perfecting your prompts using the RICCE framework. By month 1, you're unlocking beta features and analyzing spreadsheets. And by year 1, total multimodal AI fluency. You've officially gone from a beginner to a pro. Which brings us to a final thought. As ChatGPT evolves from a simple text box into this omnipresent digital assistant with sight, sound, and incredible creativity, are you ready for the AI-first future? Because that future isn't a decade away, it is happening today. I highly challenge you to take these leveled up skills, apply that RISC framework, turn on those custom instructions, and actually integrate this into your daily workflow. The capabilities are right there waiting for you. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will see you next time.